Hey guys, before this video begins, you know exactly what I'm about to say. We are having another major giveaway on the 26th of December. Only difference is this time two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each. Yes, you heard that right. Two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each on the 26th of December on Christmas Day. So if you're interested, you know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you comment something, hit that like and that subscribe button. Something worthwhile, something meaningful, something that can capture somebody's eye, and you might be the lucky person walking away with over 2,000 rand in their bank account on Christmas Day. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 45 rand with every single survey you complete in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our news videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So today we're going to be speaking about a fan favorite website called Metro Opinion. I have spoken about Metro Opinion in the past, but I just love this website so much that I decided to do a rerun and tell you more about it. As it says, paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. Get up to 45 rand for each survey, safe and easy payment. Then you can press the start here, but let me take you through the steps. How to earn money in 3 easy steps. Sign up. Everyone can join. It's easy to sign up and it only takes 30 seconds, and you can click on the start registration here. So after you sign up, then you pretty much need to make sure that you have the perfect details and everything always runs smoothly. Make sure you enter your right email address, your right PayPal, or whatever currency that you are using and method of payment that you're using. So it says here, by answer, you will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly. Your answers are anonymous. And that is another great thing about Metro Opinion, is that they will literally send you emails rather than you having to go on the website itself and looking for surveys to complete. All you need to do is wake up every single day and you will get a survey on your email, quick and easy. And by payment, obviously you know PayPal. So after you do that, guys, this is the sign up page where you enter your email address, your password, you repeat your password, you enter your gender. You don't really need to be truthful or specific here. Enter whatever you want, enter your postal code, and after that, guys, you can sign up. What I really like about Metro Opinion is that it is honest and tells you from the beginning what it does. So as it says here, what our users say about us, it says here, I can do this on the commute to work, fills up my time, and I earn some money. I do surveys on several websites, and these guys are pretty cool. So these are just the testimonies, guys, that they say to kind of bump up the website and kind of show you that it is a very good and legit website. So guys, after you have pretty much done everything that I told you to do, you should be a-okay. I will be leaving the link in the description and you should be fine. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. If you made it to the end of the video, you are a star, and I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.